Yesterday the guys ran a French drain right in the center of the swale. Now we're in Oakland Township, Michigan, and it's very hilly. You can see that there's higher ground back here. Then you have all this hardscape, non-permeable surface, concrete, and rooftop. So all that water ends up in this swale. So they started right there, and we just ran a single line right in this swale. You know, because it's winter now and we're dealing with snow and everything. The guys, this is still pretty darn good. They cut that sod off. It's just, everything's just mud. So right now the snow has been melting because we ended up with a foot of snow, but the guys have been actually shoveling lawns and still working, which is good. But I just wanted to show you, we always talk about subsurface water. So the guys put that in yesterday. Look at this. Can you believe it? I mean, just steady, just draining this yard, improving. That's all subsurface water right there. That's, you know, you don't see no water on the lawn here. We're lowering the water table in this backyard to the depth of the bottom of our trench. Everybody wants to talk about subsurface water and, you know, how our systems work, and, you know, seeing it is believing it, and everybody wants proof and evidence. So with the snow melting off of the patio, and there's some snow still up in the areas where it's shaded, yeah, that water is running off the surface. But all the water that's draining from up in here, that goes down and it loads the subsurface soil. Look, you don't see water flowing. You don't see no water anywhere. Yet, that thing hasn't stopped. I mean, they opened it up yesterday. We got some right here, some melt, some snow melt, you can see. But it's just like having a garden hose, just, you know, opened up a little, just a steady trickle. So we helped out that homeowner, and he told his neighbor that he was having us over, so his neighbor called me. Now I wanted to show you guys this. So you see this beautiful play area? It's in the swale, but it's okay because with our system, you can do things like this. They got this big, beautiful patio here. So what we did, we cored into that, went down 2 feet. This is just a discharge line right here, just to drain this. Now, this was a lake. This was really bad. Now remember, it's winter, everything is crazy muddy. We're under a big thaw right now, so we just had to topsoil and seed some of this. We did this like a hashtag. We had a couple parallel lines, 2 more. This is going to just dry this up. Obviously, that play area doesn't fit anywhere in this yard, with the exception of right here, and it happens to be in the swale. So it's not a big deal. I'm sure a lot of homeowners have this issue where you wanted something and the way your yard was designed to drain is compromised. Just do our burrito wrap system. It works great. So the guys went right around the swing set with the discharge, and they got slope 2% on this. You know, they ended up on this about 30 inches down, they hit in there. So, but I really wanted you guys just to see that subsurface water draining, because it's just been going on for hours. It's late in the day now, and they did that yesterday. It's going to continue to drain like that until all the water at that level that the trench is at in the subsurface, you know, through capillary action, that system's pulling water out of that yard. So they also had water trapped here. You know, everyone likes to put shrubbery around those electric boxes, but it doesn't help your lot as far as draining. But you can see the water. Look at that. This is all subsurface water. We got a steady flow. Water's just coming out. Look at that. It's flowing really nice. It's like a little stream. And this drain will work like this 24/7, 365 days out of the year. It doesn't take a minute off. And here's our rock star crew, man. A lot of grit. Takes a lot of grit, man, to keep going in the winter, to get these systems in for people, to help them with these yard drainage problems. All right, guys, until the next video.